Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Monday. It is a overcast, cloudy day here in Arizona. And let me tell you two things about Arizona, or really one thing. Whenever it rains in Arizona, well two. Whenever it rains in Arizona, first of all, people don't know how to drive. It's the most fascinating thing. All of a sudden people slow down to like 10 miles an hour. It could be just like little sprinkles and it paralyzes the city. I have no idea why, but it's like everybody forgets how to drive. Second thing is when it rains, people don't go out. So if you have a meeting, like I have a meeting tonight at 6 p.m., I'm willing to bet you half the attendees don't show up because it's raining. They can't drive and they can't seem to go out in the rain. I don't know why. It has always been an anomaly to me about Arizona. But I want to talk to you today about rainy days and Mondays. I know how many of you guys have Karen Carpenter in your head, the Carpenters, rainy days and Mondays. And how always Mondays get me down. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. And I know so many people that when it rains, they get sad. And they're sad that it's Monday. And I always say it's because you have been preconditioned to be sad. You know, well, it's gloomy and it's overcast. Well, have you ever been to Seattle? Seattle gets a lot of rain. You don't see people all walking around there all mopey faced because they haven't been preconditioned that when it rains, they need to be sad or depressed. When it rains, you can just look around and say the earth is cleansing itself. The earth is cleansing and purifying to get ready for the next journey. Just like when it's windy, the wind is blowing your dreams so your dreams can be accomplished. I'm sure you've all heard if a butterfly flaps its wings in Ecuador, it could lead to a tornado in Oklahoma because everything is linked, everything's put together. So if you get sad, you need to look inside and think, why? Why am I preconditioned to be sad over rain or sad over Mondays or sad over this event? Because it's your brain, it's your mind. What you put into your mind is what you get out. So if you put good, happy, positive thoughts into your brains, that's into your brain, that's what you'll get back. But if you put negative thoughts into your brain, you'll get that. I just had a whole bunch of medical tests done. I had my physicals done, you know, everything you could think I had done. And I was looking at mine and I said, wow, I have really high, skyrocketing high cholesterol. I'm gonna have to quit eating cholesterol. I left it at that. I didn't go into, if I don't, I'm gonna have a stroke or a heart attack, because I don't send that stuff out to the universe. I don't throw it out there. I just say, okay, well, I'm gonna have to probably start watching my cholesterol. I'm gonna have to start getting a little healthier. I mean, it's the same when I lost weight. Okay, I didn't get if I don't lose weight, all these bad things will happen. It was just, I want to lose weight for me. What you say and what you think about is what you get back. So if you don't like what you have, look around. What is your language? What are you saying? What are you thinking? Because it is all what you think. You know, people always like, Karen, you're such a silver liner. I'm a positive thinker because I know positivity brings positivity. I have been a negative thinker. I have been a very negative thinker in a very worst case scenario. You know, if I buy tickets to this concert, I'll never go because all this stuff will happen. I don't do that anymore. I am positive to the core. Do bad things happen? Absolutely, because that's how life is. Life is a marathon. Life is a situation where you're going to get good and you're going to get bad. I just prefer to have more good than bad. I know people that prefer to have more bad than good. Now they'll tell you, no, Karen, I don't prefer it. It's just how the universe is for me. It's just how the universe rolls for me. You know, when it's rainy, I get depressed. When it's snowing in Flagstaff, I get sad. I know people that, you know, they could be the saddest cats ever. When it snows in Flagstaff, they're automatically uplifted because we don't get a lot of snow. This is Arizona. When it snows in Flagstaff, there will be, I think Crystal said they're getting 6 inches. Tomorrow, there will be a 2-hour line, 2 hours in your car waiting to get into the ski place just to get situated so you can go skiing. That's how crazy people go. They go insane. So, you know, up in Flagstaff, when they get snow, it's yay. It, you know, bumps their tours, it does all that. But I also know people, it's like, oh, it's gonna snow. There'll be so much traffic. It's like us with spring training. You know, this past weekend was the busiest weekend in Arizona. We had car races, we have spring training. We had we had Billy Joel in concert downtown. We had like 6 events taking place in Maricopa. You couldn't get a rental car or a hotel to save your life this weekend. They had all the roads open, everything, because it was so crowded. I know people like, oh, you can't go out to dinner, all the restaurants. My husband and I went to the movies, went out to dinner, never gave it a thought. Is it more crowded than July? Sure, but it's how you look at it. It's how you frame your world. So if you want great things, expect great things. If you want to be happy, expect happiness. And yes, bad things will happen. And yes, you can take 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes a day, you know, to be sad. I had breakfast with a friend today whose dog just passed away. And he's like, you know, I took a day or two to mourn. I was really sad. He goes, and then I was like, I got to be done. I got to get out there. I'm a salesperson. I got to be happy. I got to be uplifted. Because it's a choice. So choose on rainy days and Mondays to not be in Arizona, not to be in Phoenix, Arizona, because nobody can drive, and don't have a meeting because nobody will show up. But other than that, choose to have a positive attitude. And I laugh, you know, my meeting today is it's a small retreat, so I'll be interested to see how many it is. I think there's 10 or 11 of us total. Anyway, so I'm guessing we'll all soldier on. So I just want you to know, control your mindset, control what you're thinking, control who you are. Just be great. Be you and be great. That's all you can ask for, and find your blue rose. If you guys have any questions or anything, put your comments below. If you need any assistance, I have a great workbook on mastering your mindset. Let me know if you're interested, and I'll link it down below in case you're interested so you can get it. It's like a 40-page workbook. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.